If you feel tired, no matter how much you sleep, weak in the gym, and less driven than you used to be, your testosterone is already crashing, and you don't even realize it yet. There's a guy, trains 3 times a week, eats clean, but still feels tired, unfocused, and stuck. He thinks it's normal. It's not. It's low testosterone tired after sleeping, weak in the gym, less confident, less driven, less sharp. That's not just age. That's not just stress. That's your hormones crashing, and it's being caused by specific daily habits you can fix starting today. I'll break down exactly why your testosterone is dropping and give you 6 proven fixes to naturally bring it back. Stay till fix number 4, that one is the silent killer most guys never connect to their testosterone levels, and it's affecting almost every man watching this right now. Let's start. 1. Understand what testosterone actually controls. Most guys think testosterone is just a gym hormone. That's where they get it wrong. Testosterone controls your entire operating system as a man. Muscle growth, protein synthesis, bone density, energy levels, mood stability, confidence, sex drive, and even how decisively you think and act. When your levels are optimal, you feel sharp, focused, physically capable, mentally clear. When they drop, and they are dropping right now for most men, every single one of those systems starts failing at the same time. And here's where it gets dangerous. Because when testosterone drops, it doesn't hit one area, it slowly shuts down everything. It feels like everything is slightly off, all at once. And most guys spend years treating the symptoms, buying pre-workout, seeing therapists, trying diets, without ever fixing the actual cause. 2. Why your testosterone is crashing. Here's what most guys never figure out. Your testosterone isn't dropping randomly. It's being systematically drained by your daily habits. First, sleep. Most guys are running for 4 to 5 hours a night. Research shows that sleeping under 5 hours can drop testosterone levels by 10 to 15%, and that's just from 1 week of poor sleep. Your body produces the majority of its daily testosterone during deep sleep. Cut that short and you're cutting production at the source. Second, stress. When your stress stays chronically high, your body floods with cortisol. Cortisol and testosterone operate on a direct seesaw. When one goes up, the other drops. Third, diet. Low-fat diets kill testosterone. Your body needs dietary fat to synthesize hormones. Ultra-processed food, cheap snacks, fast food, these disrupt your hormone system at a chemical level. Fourth, inactivity. Sitting for most of the day sends your body a signal, no physical challenge is required, no strength is needed. So testosterone production slows down. Fifth, body fat. Fat tissue contains an enzyme called aromatase that converts testosterone directly into estrogen. The more fat you carry, the more testosterone you lose. And the lower your testosterone, the easier it is to gain more fat. That loop is why so many men feel stuck no matter what they try. 3. Fix 1. Resistance training. Most guys doing cardio think they're helping their hormones. They're not fixing the core problem. The training that drives testosterone production is resistance training, heavy compound lifts, squats, deadlifts, bench press, rows. These movements recruit the most muscle mass and send the strongest signal to your body to produce testosterone. Research consistently shows that heavy resistance training causes acute testosterone spikes immediately after the session and raises baseline levels over time with consistent training. Train like this 3 times a week, and most guys feel a noticeable energy shift within weeks. Add 2 sessions of HIIT, high-intensity interval training, short all-out sprints, and you've covered the 2 most effective training methods for testosterone optimization. Show up 3 times a week. Track your lifts. Get stronger every session. That's the formula. 4. Fix 2. Diet. Most guys think eating clean means eating low fat. That's the exact opposite of what your testosterone needs. Healthy fats are the raw material your body uses to produce testosterone. Eggs, whole meat, nuts, olive oil, avocado, these aren't optional extras. They are the building blocks of hormonal health. A target of 0.7 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight supports muscle synthesis. But calories and fat intake matter equally for testosterone. Studies show men on very low-fat diets have measurably lower testosterone than men eating adequate fat. Beyond macros, 3 micronutrients directly support testosterone production. Zinc, found in red meat, shellfish, and seeds, magnesium, found in nuts, dark leafy greens, and whole grains, and vitamin D, which most men are deficient in. If you're not eating these regularly, your body is running the testosterone factory without the right materials. 5. Fix 3. Sleep. Here's the truth most guys skip over because it sounds too simple. Your body does not produce testosterone in the gym. It produces it while you sleep, specifically during deep sleep between hours 5 and 8 of a full night's rest. Cut your sleep to 5 hours and production drops by up to 15%. Cut it to 4 hours consistently, and research shows testosterone levels comparable to men 10 to 15 years older. The fix is straightforward: 7 to 9 hours, consistent sleep and wake times, no screens in the 30 minutes before bed, and a dark, cool room. That combination alone, maintained for 30 days, produces measurable hormonal change. Most men won't fix this. Because it requires discipline they don't have, that trade-off is the difference between fixing the problem and complaining about it. 6. Fix 4. Stress management. This next one is silently destroying your testosterone, and almost no one connects it to the problem chronic stress elevates cortisol, and cortisol directly suppresses testosterone production. It's a biological trade-off. When your body thinks it's under threat, it prioritizes survival hormones over growth hormones. The result is lower energy, increasing body fat, mental fog, and reduced drive, all mistaken for laziness or burnout. Research shows men with chronically high cortisol levels have testosterone readings 20 to 30% lower than baseline. The fix is not meditation retreats or expensive therapy. It's basic nervous system recovery, daily physical exercise to metabolize stress hormones, consistent sleep to reset cortisol rhythm, and removing chronic stressors where possible. The gym, the sleep, the diet, they all feed into this, which is why fixing one fixes all of them simultaneously. The things that are actively destroying your testosterone right now. Most guys focus only on what to add. Here's what to remove. Alcohol directly suppresses testosterone production. Even moderate regular drinking has measurable effects on hormone levels over time. BPA, the chemical found in most plastic bottles and food containers, mimics estrogen in your body and disrupts hormonal balance. Chronic sleep deprivation, as already covered, is one of the fastest ways to crash your levels. And those testosterone booster supplements? Research shows almost none of them produce clinically meaningful changes in healthy men. Vitamin D, zinc, and magnesium can help if you're deficient, but no pill fixes a broken lifestyle. Fix the habits first. Supplements are the final 5%, not the starting point. Here's the cycle most guys are living in right now and don't recognize. Low testosterone drops your motivation and energy. Low motivation leads to skipping training, eating worse, and sleeping less. That worsens body composition, raises cortisol, and drops testosterone further. And slowly what started as a phase starts feeling like a permanent identity. It's not. It's a hormonal loop driven by specific fixable habits. Fix your sleep this week. Add resistance training 3 times a week. Eat adequate protein and fat. Manage your stress. Do those 4 things consistently for 30 days, and your energy, confidence, and drive will shift noticeably. Not because of a supplement or a shortcut, but because your body finally has the conditions it needs to produce what it was built to produce. You don't need to become someone else, you need to rebuild what's already inside you. Fix your habits, raise your standards, and your energy, confidence, and drive come back fast. This is where it changes. This is where you stop feeling stuck and start becoming the man you were supposed to be.